breakfast bars, and these breakfast bars are very good, very healthy, and very quick and easy to make. So we only have about 5 ingredients, and here we have oatmeal, and this oatmeal here is non-GMO, and it's also USDA certified, which means that it's grown without pesticides, any artificial fertilizers. So along with these morsels that we have here that are dark chocolate. Other than them 2 ingredients, we have 1 cup of peanut butter, and we have about 6 to 7 medium bananas. And to add just a little bit more flavoring, we are going to sprinkle a little bit of coconut onto these breakfast bars. So what we're going to do to get started is we're going to just mix everything together into one big bowl. And I'm going to start off with these bananas here that are not mashed. I'm going to go ahead and mash them. Right now we have the stove preheating to 350. And I'm just going to go ahead and mash the bananas. After I get this to a certain consistency, I'm going to switch over to a fork. And these breakfast bars are very quick and very easy. You not only do you have to eat them for breakfast, but you can also eat them for lunch or just a snack in between your day and your meal. You hear that? Stick the bananas into the oatmeal. We're going to get ready to put everything together into one large bowl. Now the peanut butter. This peanut butter is crunchy peanut butter. We're gonna go ahead and mix this together. I know I set the morsels off to the side. I'm gonna wait until I finish mixing this. Alright, so now that I got this a little bit mixed, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of our coconut here. I'm only gonna use a little bit just because this is very strong. So I'm only going to sprinkle a little bit in here. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to come over here and go ahead and put it on the parchment paper. Size breakfast bars, because after you bake it, you're going to cut it. To have them cut, they like crispier and crunchier edges, So we're just gonna go ahead, in the preference of the dad, we're going to go ahead and cut these to have them ready already.
Gotta have those edges crispy.
No professional at cutting, okay? I'm a professional at cooking. Got this ready and we already have the oven preheated. We're gonna go ahead and stick this in for 12 to 15 minutes. Now that they've cooled down, let me switch the camera. Oh my God. How do they taste?
I guess something special, 'cause I can't get you off my mind. I guess it's something special, 'cause I think about you all the time. For time, gotta get it how I grind, yeah. Thick grits, why you coming from behind? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Protect you, I'm right behind you. Lesson be the reminder. Let's be so hard to find. GPS won't show what we hiding. That's if you cross your heart. So forever we gon' be riding. Show your heart, I show my fire. Forever we gon' be striving, ayy. Oh, 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 forever we gon' be striving, ayy. I call you my baby. You bad like a booty cat. If I did you sideways, you probably get used to that. Liking you since 10th grade. You my high school sweetheart. I would never downgrade. That made me a retard. This shit real as hell. Can't believe it like it's VR. I'm a cookie monster. Can I reach in your cookie jar? I could be the tape to insert in your VCR. Roller coaster love. Make your heart drop like it's free fall. We go back and forth on some loving shit that's ping pong. I could turn you on. Ring your bell with this ding dong. Beat it up. Put my foot in it like I'm King Kong. Then turn you around. How you singing to that one song like